If you're like me and you own an A7 IV, a Sony A7 IV camera, and you're experiencing overheat issues, then this is the video for you. Let's go. So before we get into how you can solve the problem easily, there are a few things you should probably try. As you can see on my A7 IV right here, I have a silicone case on here. One of the best things if you're doing video, especially, you want to remove your silicone case. That's number one. Number two, what you could do is there is a screen that you can flip open from the camera. If you are recording, your best bet is to take the screen away from the body of the camera, like so. That way the heat from here can dissipate out. All right. I've heard other scenarios where persons have actually opened the door of the battery to let heat out. Those are some of the methods that you can actually use in order to prevent your camera from overheating. All right, so let's get straight into the method that you're going to have to change inside the camera that's actually going to help you to increase the recording time on your camera. I basically tested this and see a massive result in how long it actually records. And I actually did my recording for more than 30 minutes with the silicone case on my camera. So guys, let's go to the camera over here. So the first thing what you need to try and do now, guys, you're gonna go inside the menu option, and then what you're gonna go is scroll all the way down, and you come over here. I'm gonna go scroll all the way down. But the first thing what I wanted to do is I want to go here and make sure that you're on the latest version, the latest firmware version of your camera. That's the first thing. If you guys would like help, I will put a shot of a video that I did. If you don't know how to update your firmware, there's a video that I have on my channel that will help you to update your firmware. So let's go back now. And now what we need to do now is we're going to scroll all the way up. Scroll down, and then we're going to go to power setting option. When we go to power setting option, you're going to go scroll all the way down here where it says auto power off temp. Mostly by standard, you're going to have this setting on standard. What you need to do is you need to remove it from standard and put it on high. It's going to give you this warning here: the temperature of your device may rise to prioritize recording time. Would you like to change these settings? And all you do, you go to OK, and that's it, guys. So once you have made that change inside your menu system, and you also make sure that you're on the latest firmware, you will see a significant increase in how long you'll be able to record any video on your A7 IV. Let me know in the description below, guys, if this change or the method that I've actually shown you has actually helped you. Leave a comment down below letting me know if it did or did not help you guys. And like I mentioned before, I will put a video, you'll have a video right over here that will actually help you to update your firmware if you don't know how to do so, guys. If this video has been helpful at all to you, smash that like button, guys. And if you guys are new to the channel, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.